Hi, I am David Israelsson of Xware, and I would like to show you how to make an actual working business flow using Xtrade Business Hub. The business flow I will create is an order flow. I want to offer my customer X the possibility to upload XML order files using FTP. The receiver of these orders is my ERP system, which already has a connection to it. I'll create the sender party, customer X. Customer X will upload files to Xtrade's built-in FTP server. I'll create an FTP server node for this. The node is configured with username and password for customer X. And I need to create the order itself. I'll make an in contract for this. Next thing, how would Xtrade know that the uploaded files are orders? It can look at the content. Order files will be recognized, and I need a routing table to direct them to the order flow. The routing table is populated with just one in-routing entry. The sender is customer X, receiver is my company, and the contract I just created is orders from customer X. I'll move on to what I can expect in the document header. I'll put a wildcard for both sender and receiver, since I already know them in this case anyway. And the message type is order XML. Right. This should be enough for testing. Customer X. I'll just ask customer X to upload a test order for me. I see something flashing by in the background, and that is my ERP connector. And we can see that an incoming message was received, and the order with ID 1 was successfully received. Great, that works. Of course, not all of my customers want to adopt my own XML format. What would I need to do to accept other formats as well? Customer Y also wants to send EDI orders to my company. However, they want to send their orders in the Edifact D97A format. And they want to send these by email. So let's set up a configuration for them as well. Like before, I'll create a party for customer Y. And this time I'll create an SMTP node for customer Y. And the order, the flow itself, an in contract, orders from customer Y. And like before, a routing table. This looks similar to last one. Sending party this time is customer Y, and like before, receiving party would be my company. The contract that I created for this one is orders from customer Y. Sender and receiver wildcard, and message type for the Edifact file would be orders colon D colon 97A colon UN. And this is a multi-composite string, a feature available in the Edifact format. Oh, and I almost forgot to configure the node for customer Y. The SMTP node has slightly different settings. And in this case, all I need is an email address, orders@customery.com. And the way these messages come into the X-Trade system is by polling an IMAP server. Next challenge. My ERP system knows nothing about Edifact files. It only knows its own XML format. Time to launch my message mapper. So I'll map my Edifact D97A orders message. Here it is, to my own XML format. It's a quite simple XML format, so it won't take me so much time to edit this by hand. I'm done with that, and now all I need to do is to map the input fields to the output fields. I'm done with that. Let's try it out with a test file. Yeah, looks great. I am back with my X-Trade configuration, and all that is left to do is to use the mapping I just created. For this, I'll create a processing batch object. The mapping is selected, and everything should be ready. I'll ask my customer to mail in a D97A order for me. Something happened already. Let's look in the logs here that, yeah, we have received successfully an order here, and original message looks like this, and the process one looks like this, which is exactly what my ERP system wanted. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I am David Israelsson of Xware, and I'll be happy to show you more of the X-Trade products.